All right, so that was everything that I purchased for this Trader Joe's grocery haul this week. Now, let's dive into meal planning dinners for the week. So, I'm using this weekly planner that I purchased at the Dollar Tree a few weeks ago. I've actually purchased several of these because I really like using them for planning. They have a giant magnet on the back, so I have 3 of them on my refrigerator. One I use specifically for meal planning, and then another one that I use for my calendar, and then the third one is my chore chart. So definitely check those out at the Dollar Tree if you are looking for a system for planning. Now, the way that I've been planning my dinners is very simple. I basically take everything out and I put it on the counter like I showed you. Then I grab the items and I pair them together for a meal. So for example, right now I'm pairing tofu with the French baguette. Then I'm going to write down on my weekly meal planner what day I want to serve that for dinner. Now, this is just like a really basic overview of what I'm planning to make for dinner. I'll be adding maybe some sauces, some seasonings, some vegetables, but I'm focusing on the protein for each meal so that I can make sure that each dinner or each meal has the protein as the main staple, and then I fill the rest of my plate with the vegetables and other items. So another thing is that since I like to enjoy tofu multiple times a week, I want to kind of avoid serving tofu dishes back to back because that can get a little boring. And so what I'm doing, since I do use tofu multiple times, I'm spreading out the tofu dishes throughout the week, like every other day, so that my family doesn't get bored of this dish. Most of the time I'm using tofu for dinners, and then I have breakfast that I'm going to be using the tofu to prepare, which is the tofu hash browns on Sunday morning. I have a recipe video sharing how I make my tofu hash browns, and I'll share that in the description below, but this is a really great dish. It's packed with vegetables and really easy to make. And if you're unfamiliar with tofu, definitely check it out. It's packed with protein. It's also got a lot of calcium added to it, and it's a very versatile legume for a plant-based diet. So then another meal that I'm planning to use is like for those pinto beans for a bean wrap. Like I said, I'm allocating my legumes throughout the week so I can make sure and get legumes every single day. At least twice a day is my goal. So then I'm going to do mac and peas for another dinner. The peas are a legume. They're packed with protein. And, just so you know, there's protein in all of the plant-based foods for the most part, but legumes are particularly high in protein. So that's why I like to focus on getting those in almost every meal. Okay, and there's another protein, the hummus. I'm going to do hummus and pesto pizzas with the pizza dough. That's a really great substitute for cheese is hummus. So definitely try adding like some dollops of hummus to your pizza if you're looking for a great cheese alternative to pizza. All right, so the last dinner that I'm adding to my planner is going to be a cauliflower and white bean soup. I already had a can of white beans, so I didn't need to purchase that for this grocery haul, but I'm basically going to be doing the MIREPOIX vegetables, which is basically a combination of the celery, onion, and carrot. I have a lot of videos using the Trader Joe's MIREPOIX to make soups. I basically just combine that MIREPOIX vegetables with another vegetable like cauliflower, and then I add in a can of beans, and that makes a super great, delicious, hearty, vegetable-packed weight loss soup, and it's really great for dinner. So, all right, look how quickly I was able to plan out my dinners for the week because I had everything already laid out on the counter, and I just basically paired together proteins and vegetables and grains. Okay, so then the second step for my simple weekly meal planning routine is I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased these containers. These fit into my refrigerator. I can do 3 next to each other. So I went ahead and I used a permanent marker to write Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on one side. Then I went and wrote Thursday, Friday, Saturday on another bin, and then I have actually a fourth bin for Sunday. But I'm sharing with you right now, what I do is in the beginning of the week or whatever day I'm planning on, I'll plan 3 days in advance. 3 days together. So I'm basically going ahead and putting all of the food that I'm going to be using on that day into the bin. Then I put those bins into my refrigerator, and not only have I put the food into my refrigerator in an organized way, I'm able to basically just pull the bin out and know these are the ingredients that I'm using for this day specifically. This is basically like kind of a trick that I would use when I was working in a culinary kitchen at restaurants. For meal prep is you'd have what's called mise en place, which is French for everything in place. And this is kind of like my mise en place bins, where on Monday I'm using the cauliflower and the mirepoix, so that goes in there. On Tuesday, I'm using the tofu and taco shells, so those go in there. And then I could go ahead and fill it with other things like those bell peppers. I could put the celery into the bin that I'm going to be using it the first day. So I could put that in there. I'm also allocating the cucumbers for Monday, then another package for Wednesday, and whatever I don't use, then I can just put into the next day's bin. This is a great way also to prevent food waste and to just make it easy for everyone to understand what's going on at mealtime. So definitely try this meal planning system if you haven't figured out a system yet. This has been working really well. It's just a great way to keep your fridge organized and keep mealtime quick and easy. So here you go. This is what it looks like in my refrigerator once I put those 3 bins for each day. And then what I do is I just turn the bin around, and then I do this again like on Thursday for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And it's great too because you can start on any day of the week. You don't have to start on Monday. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this Trader Joe's grocery haul and my simple weekly meal planning system. And I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a great day. Bye.